If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for this quick profit I'm about to secure here on the USD JPY pair here in the short term. We have our order placed there. Fantastic. Well, more than half of our total profit potential there secured in the short term, and I plan to utilize this same expiration time that you see that we just exited on, the same pair, to go ahead and look at getting in a potential re-entry at a better strike later in the time left until expiration for this trade contract here. In this case, you can see where my entry benefited us was the break of that temporary resistance we had there in the past. Once we broke that and continued the upward momentum, that is when I knew it was a good bullish opportunity to enter on. Also, the volume was looking great on my trading software leading up to my prior entry and beyond that break of that resistance zone near the 73 strike there. From here, we will go ahead and look for a pullback in the short term and get in on another potential entry here. So I'll bring you back when we are getting into another potential entry. All right, so here we are getting close. Gonna go ahead and set up my entry here. We'll go ahead and get in. So not quite the price that I was looking to enter on, but still a suitable entry opportunity. Overall, you can see the strike that we enter on is just below that previous resistance. I do not anticipate us breaking that previous resistance here leading into the expiration of this trade. So there we are, filled on our order, a buy position, keeping with that upward momentum that has been previously established beyond the break of that resistance in the past. So here you can see a little better, I clarify there with the showing of the chart where the previous resistance zones were and how we are going to go ahead and capitalize on this here. Just before this dip here, you can see that we had a bullish engulfing candle for the small T candle there for the red 1 minute candle there. We also had a similar candle formed before the last upward trajectory move there towards the left, just under where you can see my green price tag there. You can see those types of indications there let you know that there is a lot of upward momentum present in the pair, especially in the short term, which is what we are looking to capitalize on here. I will go ahead and consider taking profit. We are more than half of our total profit potential once again, and this is how you can take advantage here in the short term. And with 50 seconds left until expiration and not getting in at the best average price, I'll go ahead and take profits here at 93.75. So fantastic, locked in another short-term profit there. And that is exactly how you can capitalize on taking advantage of multiple scalp opportunities in the market for the same trade setup on the same expiration timeline. So I just wanted to bring you guys in to show you that if you want to learn more about how to find these perfect storm trading setups, just like you see here in this video, be sure to check out the Informed Traders educational package down in the description below, where I cover in a multi-video series exactly what I look for when finding these perfect storm trading opportunities, just like you see here. Alternatively, I do have the shadow trading program where you can trade with me 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we get in trades just like you see here, except on the higher time frames. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Be sure to stay safe out there, and I'll catch you next time. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below, and let's start taking these trades together.